Class 9th Maths Topic Probability. In our day to day life, we generally use the words probably or probable or change or likely, etc. in many statements, such as it will probably rain today. He is probably right. India's cricket team has good chance of winning the World Cup. In such statements, we generally use the words probably, chances, most probably, etc. These words convey that the sense that the event is not certain to take place. In other words, probability is the measure of the likelihood of an event to occur. Events can't be predicted with certainty but can be expressed as to how likely it can occur using the idea of probability. Probability can range between 0 and 1, where 0 probability means the event to be an impossible one, and probability of 1 indicates a certain event. Now, experiment. An experiment is any procedure that can be infinitely repeated or any series of action that have a well-defined set of possible outcomes. It can either have only one or more than one possible outcomes, and all the outcomes of an experiment is known as sample space. Now, experimental or empirical probability. The empirical probability of an event that may happen is given by probability of an event to happen is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Now, coin tossing experiment. Consider a fair coin. There are only two possible outcomes that are either getting a head or tail. So, if we toss a coin, this is our experiment, and all the possible outcomes is known as sample space. If we toss a coin, we either get tail or head. So, this is a sample space. Now, total number of possible outcomes are 2. Head or tail. Now, number of outcomes to get 1. If we want to find the probability of getting a head, so if we toss a coin, we get tail and head, and number of times head occur is 1. So the probability of getting a head is equals to favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcome is 1 and total number of outcomes is 2. So probability of getting head is 1 by 2. Now, rolling of dice experiment. When a fair dice is rolled, the number that comes up top is a number between 1 to 6. If we roll a dice, we can get either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So this is the sample space, or we can say total possible outcomes. Now this number of possible outcomes is 6. So if we want to find the probability of getting a 3, so number of outcomes to get 3 is 1. If we toss a coin, we get 3 only one time. So the probability of getting 3 is equals to favorable outcome is 1 and total number of outcomes is 6. So probability of getting a 3 is 1 by 6. Let's do one more question. A dice is thrown once. Find the probability of getting an even number, a number greater than 3 and a number between 3 and 6. Now, if we roll a dice, then total number of outcomes is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. we get 1 from either of the number. So total number of outcomes is 6. Now even number is equals to 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6. So number of favorable outcome is equals to 1, 2, 3, 3. Now probability of getting an even number is equals to favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. So number of favorable outcome is 3 and total number of outcome is 6. So 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. So probability of getting an even number is 1 by 2. Now second part. Probability of a number greater than 3. So number greater than 3 is equals to 3, 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. So favorable outcomes is 3. So probability of number greater than 3 is equals to number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes is equals to number of favorable outcome is 3 divided by total number of outcomes is 6, which is equals to 1 by 2. So probability of number greater than 3 is also 1 by 2. Now third part. A number between 3 and 6. Number between 3 and 6 are 4 and 5. So favorable number of outcomes here is 2. 1, 2, 2. So probability of number greater between 3 and 6. Probability of number between 3 and 6 is equals to favorable outcome, which is 2. Total number of outcomes is 6 is equals to 1 by 3. Now playing cards probability. In a deck of 52 cards, we have 13 hearts, 13 diamonds, 13 club and 13 spade. Each suit contain 13 cards each. 1 king, 1 queen, 1 jack, 10 to 2 each card and 1 ace. So in total, in 52 cards, we have 26 red cards and 26 black cards. And face cards are king, queen and jack. So red face cards are 6. Red face cards are 6 and black face cards are also 6. Let's do one question. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So total number of cards or total outcomes are 52. Now find the probability of getting an ace. Number of ace cards in 52 cards are 1 card of heart, 1 ace of heart, plus 1 ace of diamond, plus 1 ace of club, plus 1 ace of spade. So total number of ace cards are 4. Now probability of an ace is equals to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes are 4 divided by total number of outcomes is 52, which is equals to 1 by 13. Now 2 of spade. Total outcomes are 52 and 2 of spade in 52 cards is only 1. So probability of 2 of spade is equals to favorable outcome is 1 and total number of outcome is 52. So probability of getting 2 of spade is equals to 1 by 52. Now next question, 10 of black suit. Now total outcome or total number of cards are 52. So number of 10 of black suit is equals to 10 of club plus 10 of spade. So 1 card from club and 1 card from spade. So total favorable outcomes are 2. So probability of 10 of black suit is equals to favorable outcome is 2 and total number of outcome is 52, which is equals to 1 by 26.